Computer Subject, Chapter 2, Features of Windows 10. Microsoft Windows 10 is one of the latest operating systems. As you know, Microsoft Corporation creates an operating system and it has various versions of it. Windows 10 is the latest one, which was created in 2015. It has several new features which makes it easier to use and more efficient than earlier versions of Windows operating system. As you know, this is the latest one, so of course it will be very efficient than the last versions of it, earlier versions of the Windows operating system. The first feature what we are going to study is switching between running programs. Means जब 2-4 प्रोग्राम्स एक साथ रन हो रहे हैं तो हम एक प्रोग्राम से दूसरे प्रोग्राम में कैसे स्विच करेंगे. Windows 10 supports multitasking. What is a multitasking? Multitasking means it enables you to run more than one program at the same time. एक ही टाइम पे आप एक से ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम्स रन कर सकते हैं. The taskbar displays the icons of the programs currently running on the desktop. You can easily switch from one program to another program using the taskbar or the keyboard. There are 3 various ways from which you can switch from one program to another program. That is, first you can switch from taskbar. Second, you can switch programs with the help of task view button. This is a very new feature of Windows 10. And the last one is you can switch the program with the help of the keyboard. Multitasking, I was telling you. For example, you can use Paint program to draw a picture, Windows Media Player to listen to the music, and an antivirus software to scan the hard disk at the same time. So how many programs we are running? We are running 3 programs together. This video is for switching between running programs using taskbar. In the taskbar you can see there are 3 programs running: Word, Paint and PowerPoint. First of all you have to move the mouse pointer over the icon of the program on the taskbar that you want to switch. That is, we are running on the PowerPoint, we have to switch to Word. So click the thumbnail of the program, that is Word, and the program window will appear in your desktop. Now this shows switching between running programs using Task View. Task View is a new feature provided by Windows 10. You can use it in a way you can switch to different running programs. Here you can see 3 programs are running here. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. This is what is the Task View button in your taskbar. Windows displays thumbnails of all the programs running on the screen. You can see 3 programs are running together in your computer system. Now the second step in that running programs in the Task View button shows you can click the program which you want, that is MS Word. We want to switch to MS Word, click on the MS Word. If you want to switch to Paint, you can click on Paint. Next one is switching between running programs using keyboard. This is the shortcut what you can use to switch between the running program. First step is to press and hold the Alt key. There is a Alt key in your keyboard. You can press it and hold it. Don't leave it. उसको प्रेस करके ही रखना है. उसको प्रेस करके उसके साथ साथ आपको टैब की प्रेस करना है repeatedly until you reach to your desired program. Like for example, टैब की तब तक आपको बार बार प्रेस करना है जब तक आपका डिज़ायर्ड प्रोग्राम हाईलाइट नहीं हो जाता. जैसे ही आपका डिज़ायर्ड प्रोग्राम हाईलाइट होता है वैसे ही आप ऑल्ट की को रिलीज़ कर दो. जो भी प्रोग्राम के ऊपर आपने टैब की छोड़ा है वो प्रोग्राम आपके डेस्कटॉप पे automatically it will load on your desktop. Next one is organizing program with multiple desktop. Your Windows 10 allows you to create multiple desktops, each with its own running program windows. एक बहुत अच्छा फीचर Windows 10 हमको प्रोवाइड करता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल एक डेस्कटॉप 1 होता है, एक डेस्कटॉप 2 करके हम दूसरा डेस्कटॉप भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. Each desktop includes only the windows of the program that you have opened in it. It makes your computer screen easier to manage and less cluttered. बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स हम एक ही डेस्कटॉप पे चलाते हैं तो इट बिकम्स वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू make it easier, your screen easier, you can make two desktops and you can divide the programs into that two different desktops. For example, you may have a desktop for office application. That is, in your desktop one you can only run office applications like Word, PowerPoint, and on the other desktop you can run the other programs like Paint, TUX Paint. These are image editing applications. So we have now two desktops, a desktop 1 and a desktop 2, a desktop 1 for office application and desktop 2 for image editing applications. Now, adding a new desktop. On the taskbar, click on the task view button. This is what is your task view button. Click on it and then window will display all the thumbnails of running of the program. Second step is then click on the new desktop button. The plus sign shows you new desktop button. Then Windows create the two desktop, that is desktop 1 and desktop 2 side by side. This is what is the shortcut for the new desktop. Windows button plus Control plus D. All the programs which are running will be in the desktop 1, desktop 2 will be empty. Switch between desktops. On the taskbar, click the task view button. After clicking on the task view button, you can see there is desktop 1 and desktop 2. The thumbnails of all the running desktops are shown at the bottom part of the screen. The thumbnails of the programs running in the current desktops are shown in the upper part of the screen. Click the desktop you want to use. Windows switches to the selected desktop and displays programs running in it. आप जो भी डेस्कटॉप में क्लिक करेंगे उसी डेस्कटॉप को प्रोग्राम ऊपर रन होता हुआ आपको दिखाई देगा. We will see moving a program to a different desktop. As we have created two desktops, how to move programs from one desktop to another desktop. On the taskbar, click the task view button. Windows displays thumbnails of each of the running programs on the current desktop. Right click the thumbnail of the program that you want to move to the another desktop. A menu appears. Click move to and select an option to move the programs to an existing desktop or a new desktop. Windows moves the program to the selected desktop. Close a desktop. Click the cross button on its thumbnail in task view. The programs running in the desktop are shifted to another existing desktop. By default, one desktop always remains present in Windows 10.